So if you guys watch the channel, you know how much I love, absolutely adore the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Favorite cell phone ever made. My opinion, the best foldable cell phone ever made. Can't get enough of it. Well, by no surprise at all, the 10 Pro Fold is going to be even better. The 10 Pro Fold is going to be the 9 Pro Fold, but 10 Fold. And okay, that pun was not actually, that was randomly made up. Anyway, so the point is the 10 Pro Fold is going to have an IP68 rating, which would make it the first foldable cell phone with that rating. Now, if you don't know what the IP68 means, 6 meaning the first number is the dust resistance, second number is the water resistance. So 8 would be 6 on the dust resistance scale, 8 being the water resistant. Now, keep in mind, resistant is the key term. IP ratings go up to 9, 9 being waterproof, 9 being completely like zero water can ever get inside. 8 is as close to that as possible, but it's not waterproof. A lot of people think that IP8 is waterproofness. It's not. Every single different manufacturer has their different ratings, but mainly it's like up to 30 minutes at 5 meters is where most companies will have it for their IP rating. For Google, they can, I think it's up to 3 meters. So it's different. It's different depending on the company, but IP68 would be dust resistance and waterproofness. A little comparison here. The Surface Duo 2, which Surface Duo 1 didn't have water resistant. The Surface Duo 2 did, but it had an IPX1. Yes, it had a 1, which is like raindrops. This would give it more dust resistance than other foldables. It also makes a slimmer hinge and a bigger cover display as its predecessor. So, I'm excited for this. As I've said many times, no matter what they do, it's going to be amazing for the Z Fold devices because Z Fold, Google Pixel Fold are the best foldable cell phones on the planet. So, I'm excited for this. Probably going to come out sometime. I'm going to guess it comes out in July, maybe August. Probably late August, actually, now that I think about it. But let's see. Let's see how this ends up shaking out. I still think that the 11 Pro Fold is going to be the best because that's going to come out next year when everyone else is coming out with their best cell phones. So I'm expecting that one to be an absolute grand slam, which this is still going to be a great phone, but next year's Z Fold 8 and Pixel 11 Pro Fold should be top tier. So we'll see, though. See you guys next one, though. Peace out.